Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to activate Hey Google feature on this device. So firstly we have to enter the Google folder and tap on Google. Now we have to tap on this three dots icon and enter settings. Now let's enter Google Assistant, and as you can see in the popular settings on the very first position we've got voice match, and Hey Google option is turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. And we will be transferred to the very first step of adding our voice to the Hey Google Assistant, to the Google Assistant actually, so just tap on next. You will have to agree to voice match, so just tap on I agree. And as you can see in my case, my assistant already recognizes my voice because I just added it before, so all you will have to do is simply say Hey Google or OK Google for I think 4 times. Okay, let me turn it off and just tap on finish. I'll try to show you because probably I can. So let me show you okay, so here we've got the thing that you will have to go through if you will turn on the voice assistant for the very first time. So all you have to do right now is simply say OK Google. All right, again, OK Google. All right, then Hey Google. And again, Hey Google. So all you will have to do then, just tap on next and tap on finish. And actually that's all. So now let me check if it will work. Let me say Hey Google. And as you can see here, we've got the Google Assistant ready to help us. So let me check if it will actually help me. So let me say, Hey Google, what's the weather like in Krakow? And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. So actually that's all. This is how to activate Hey Google option in your Motorola Moto G30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.